Hey guys, welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you Mounja Burn Drops review. So if you've been looking at Mounja Burn Advanced Weight Loss Drops here, well, in this case, let's sit down and walk through exactly what this product is and what it offers and how the manufacturer guideline says you should use it. Now, what is Mounja Burn Drops? Now, Mounja Burn Drops here is an all-natural dietary supplement formulated as a liquid drop formula. Unlike injectable prescription medications or solid capsules here, this product is actually designed as an over-the-counter wellness liquid, well, according to their website. Now, it is specifically marketed towards adult men and women aiming to support natural weight management, metabolic function, and energy levels. Now, the name draws inspiration from popular wellness trends here, but the product itself relies entirely on a blend of liquid dietary ingredients. Now, what does Mounja Burn offer? Now, the main feature of Mounja Burn Drops is the concentration of liquid ingredients, botanical extracts, and digestive aids. Now, according to the product label, and active ingredients are formulated to promote thermogenesis, which is just the body's natural process of burning calories to produce heat, while supporting balance and digestive system. Now, they do contain the following ingredients, like, for example, the horse chestnut here, which promotes healthy weight loss, anti inflammatory properties, and circulatory support. Also, hawthorn root, grapeseed extract, motherwort, stone root, and gotu kola, which again, most of these ingredients promotes healthy weight loss. Now, according to the website. Now, the liquid delivery system is highlighted as the primary feature here, allowing the nutrients to be rapidly absorbed by the body compared to standard pills. Now, how do you exactly start using Mounja Burn? Now, because this is a concentrated liquid supplement, proper dosing and consistency are standard for getting the best results. Now, according to the usage instructions on the official packaging here, so for daily dosage here, the standard recommended serving is one full dropper, 1 ml or roughly 30 drops per day, and also the method for delivery. So you can squeeze the dropper directly under your tongue, hold it for 15 to 30 seconds for quick absorption, and then swallow. Now, if you prefer, you can also mix the full dropper into a standard glass of water, warm tea, or just your morning juice. And for the timing here, the manufacturer suggests taking your daily dose in the morning, preferably around 15 to 20 minutes before breakfast. Now, this actually helps kickstart your digestion and allows the ingredients to absorb before you consume your first meal. Now, for consistency here, because the natural botanical ingredients work gradually, the usage guide notes that it should be taken consistently every single day without skipping doses. Now, Monja Burn Drops typically comes around in the standard 60 ml 2 ounce dropper bottle, which provides a 30 full day supply. But if you try visiting your website, they do have different packages here. They have a one bottle supply here, which is just one bottle. So it actually depends on where you're buying from. But on this website, you can buy one bottle as a 30-day supply, which is around like $69. Now, they do have a 33 bottle supply as well, which is a 90-day supply, around $177, and a 6 bottle option here for a 180-day supply. Now, you can get this for around like $294. Now, in this case, if you do proceed or if you do want to try this product, it is highly recommended that you consult your doctor first, just to make sure that there are no medications that would interfere with you using this one, and also just to be on the safe side. But that's about it. So if you found this video, avoid the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.